Hello, kitties. Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
I think the sound is in sync right now. I'm going to do a test. Yep. Yeah, it's only one cam now, Catherine. There's a setting in the old classic interface for setting multiple cams that doesn't exist. Actually, let me rephrase that. There is a setting in the new YouTube video editor called Made for Kids. It does not exist on the old YouTube event where I can create multiple cams on an event. So I'll be creating multiple events for the different cams. She's so cute. Yeah, you're right. YouTube can be a pain, but it's a free surface. So, so if you have to watch an ad beforehand, you can get around that by subscribing to YouTube Red. And or YouTube Premiere, as they call it now, or whatever it is. You don't get any more ads. I watched enough YouTube clips, so it's definitely worth it, just on the time spent. It's not that I'm paying, it's you people that are paying with the ad views. So, Mr. Twinkie, from what I hear, is the fourth heaviest kitten I've ever fostered. Mom's not the smallest or the lightest. I think that goes to Marie of the Scientist Fosters. I think she was like something like 4 pounds, and she had to be separated from the kittens because they were literally draining her dry. Her body was putting all the energy reserves into making milk and none for her, and she was losing weight and had severe diarrhea. Yeah. So far, Mama's good. Yeah, Livestream wanted to charge me thousands of dollars. I'm still using their broadcaster software because, frankly, it's one of the better ones without paying several $1,000s. And as is, it cost me 800 something. All right, all's going good. You got things, Mama? Yeah? Okay. Ooh, she likes that. I think she's finally out of heat. Yay! Alrighty. I'm gonna step out, see about spending some time with my son real quick. Check it on something. Enjoy the kitten. Have a nice day.